अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर लेक्चर। आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सेकेंडरी लेवल टीचर एजुकेशन। ये कोर्स है टीचर्स एजुकेशन का जो कि पेशावर यूनिवर्सिटी के एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट से है। B.Ed 1.5 एंड B.Ed 2.5 सब्जेक्ट है टीचर्स एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान। हम आज के लेक्चर का इंट्रोडक्शन अगर देख लें तो ये है कि सेकेंडरी लेवल टीचर एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान इज geared towards preparing individuals to teach students in grade 9 to 12, usually referred to as secondary or high schools levels. Here is an overview of secondary level teacher education in Pakistan. Number 1 is prerequisites education. Individuals interested in secondary level teacher education typically complete their higher secondary education, which includes grade 11th and 12th. They must have a higher secondary school certificate, intermediate or A levels to be eligible for further teacher education programs. Then Bachelors of Education, which is B.Ed. Now B.Ed is of 3 types: B.Ed 1.5, B.Ed 2.5 and B.Ed 4 years. One of the common pathways to becoming a secondary school teacher is by obtaining a Bachelor of Education degree. B.Ed programs in Pakistan usually has a duration of 1 to 2 years or 4 years, and they are offered by universities and teacher education colleges. These programs cover pedagogical techniques, educational psychology, curriculum development, subject specialization, and classroom management. Prospective teachers may also undergo teaching practice or internships to gain practical experience. Then subject specialization. Secondary level teacher education program emphasize subject specializations. Prospective teachers choose a specific subject or subject that they want to teach, such as mathematics, science, English, Urdu, history, or other subjects in the curriculum. Then they receive in-depth training in those chosen subjects area to be effective subject teachers. Bachelor's degree in the relevant subject. In some cases, individuals with bachelor's degree in subject other than education can become secondary school teacher by completing a 1-year or postgraduate diploma in education or a master's of education, which is M.Ed, with a focus on secondary school education and their chosen subject. Then teacher training institutions. Specialized teacher training institutions and colleges also offer their certificates and diploma program for secondary level teachers. These programs are typically shorter in duration and focus on practical teaching skills and subject specific pedagogy. Curriculum and assessment. Secondary level teacher education program prepare teachers to effectively teach their chosen subjects and adhere to the national or provisional curriculum standards. Training includes understanding and implementing assessment and evaluation methods in classroom. Then certification and licensing. Graduates of secondary level teacher education program may need to pass certification exams or meet other assessment criteria set by provisional or regional educational authorities to become eligible for teaching positions. Professional development. Secondary and school teachers are encouraged to engage in continuous professional development program to stay updated on subject content, teaching methodologies and educational trends. Then licensing empowerment. To work as a secondary school teacher in Pakistan, individuals need to obtain teaching license and certification from the relevant education authorities. They can apply for teaching position in public and private schools, both at the secondary and higher education secondary levels. Once they meet the necessary requirements, it is important to note secondary level teacher education program in Pakistan. It is important to note that secondary level teacher education program in Pakistan may vary by province or region. Each provisional or regional education authorities may have its own policies and standards for teacher education and certification. Therefore, individuals interested in becoming secondary school teachers should consult the specific education authorities or institutions in their area for the most current information on secondary level teacher education in Pakistan.